Adventure. Exploring an exciting word for IELTS success. Imagine stepping off a plane in a country you've never visited before. The sights, sounds, and smells are all new and exciting. This is the start of an adventure. Word type. Adventure can be used as both a noun and a verb. Meaning, as a noun, an adventure is an unusual, exciting, and possibly dangerous activity or experience. As a verb, to adventure means to engage in risky or exciting experiences. Word history. The word adventure comes from Latin through Old French. It originally meant something that happens by chance or fortune. Antonyms. Some opposites of adventure include routine, boredom, and safety. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to adventure include journey, expedition, and quest. Examples used in sentences. Here are some ways to use adventure in sentences. Going on a safari in Africa was the greatest adventure of my life. My grandfather loves to adventure in the mountains, even at his age. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing adventure with advise. Remember, adventure is about exciting experiences, while advise means to give someone advice or recommendations. Adventure is a versatile and exciting word that can help you describe thrilling experiences in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Whether you're talking about your own adventures or describing someone else's, this word can add depth and interest to your language. Start using adventure in your everyday English to become more comfortable with it.